As we all know, sustainability has become an important issue everywhere. Is there a way to make the best possible use of the material and produce little waste? Let's find out.
Of course, there's a way to optimize the usage of your material. For this case, we have software that's called Optimum in our LaserScout software. As you can see here, we will use those two contours as our file right now. So for that, we just go onto nesting. There we have a small overview of our window. Then we select how much quantities we want of each pieces. For example, now let's say we want 20 of these and 33 of these. And we gotta set a rotation angle, which is max allowed for the single contour that we want to use. Then after that, we can just hit the nest button, and as you can see there, we would have created a nesting file of our contours. As you can see there, the file we just created is taking up around 94% of our 1 meter by 380 millimeters wide space in the end.
Very interesting, thank you.
No problem.